Okay, so you should always wear shoes when you do this.
Yeah.
But once you open up the big old box, it's come. And look at that. There it is. So apparently I'll be able to make music with this. So yeah, that's pretty cool. 10 out of 10. What's that?
No, we've only just unboxed the stand.
What's that thing over there?
What?
What's that?
Yep, go
I don't know.
grab it.
Let's see. Here, you want me to grab that? Please.
And then from here.
Oh, I can't wait to play this.
Yeah, you're not doing that. Not yet, anyways.
40-hour work week. Who knows what happens when he's done? Here, I'm actually trying to help you though.
Yeah.
Got my hand underneath the actual keyboard so we can pull this stuff out and swing it around here. Trips over the box, drops it, boom. Okay, we need to shuffle it your way better. Yeah.
Yeah. And that is the Komplete Controller.
Dude, these feel so nice. They're rubberized, hey?
Yeah, because that's the pitch bend right there, and this is the mod. Modulator. Modulator.
Okay, so there's, I don't
It's
know
the
what's
Forza
going on
drum,
here,
I think.
but this, can you hold the keyboard or the controller just so it doesn't fall? I'm just sighting these little, the feet things, the little rubber on the legs here is shifted funny.
Oh, is it?
And the floor might not be 100%.
I think it's the floor.
These, so satisfying, not even joking. They got some nice like tension to them.
Acceleration.
That's so good. Quality. It's a quality item.
So you pretty happy? What does this mean for
Native Instruments, that's the company that makes it. Push this power button in right
I
here.
see.
Whoa.